What's up, guys? Help is on the way, dear. What's up? What's up? I'm not sure if I can share my chart. I think that's M's up there. I'll request to share it though, just in case you can toggle it over. But what's up, guys? Mm. What's up? What's up? UPS 110 calls are almost on the money. Just made a new high of day. I am short SPY currently, so we hit this target right up here, which is around that 696.3 area. You do have big resistance from here up to 697. So I took a short up in the zone. We are pulling back down to your 5 minute 21. It just had a nice bounce right off of this area here. I'm looking for this spot eventually to flush and get a breakdown. So fighting the trend, but risk to reward looking for longs up in this area coming down here. And if we can break underneath this, at least get a pull back down closer to 695, maybe a little under that. I like it. Mm.
I can't join from my computer, so I just hopped on my phone.
What's up? You almost look like AI.
Do I? It's the
Dude, you
eyebrows.
like
It makes me look uncanny.
I don't know. You just like your picture just so clear.
It's the iPhone.
Jordan just looks so good right now. Dang. Go check. The UPS calls are at 210 from 145. So you're up nicely here, almost up 50%. So about 20 cents away from getting in the money. Unfortunately, due to Tesla being choppy earlier, and I wanted to stay net green overall with UPS doing well, I cut the calls, and Tesla is now in the gap and moving up higher here. So now those contracts, those calls, they're up like $110, $115 per contract gain now. My stop was a close underneath this line right here, and I entered in this morning here, and then you see we came back up, came back down, chopped sideways, and I closed somewhere either on this candle or on this one, and then now it's just back to the upside. But Tessie looking good. Your daily, you had a trend line right here as well. So if this spot, that zone gives out, Tessie gets the flush down here. So nice balance right there, risk to reward to look for buyers to step in. Back testing now 4-hour EMAs. Your gap fill takes you to 429. So we shall see what she does. iDubbbz looking a little bit like it wants to roll over. I wanted to see the top of the zone up here before I went short, but it came within the middle of it. I did a little bit of a front run on SPY. I had ads on these puts right up here. It almost got there. Q's hit previous day high, which is what I was talking about all this morning. This was the last thing that I was looking to start my short overall, and that tagged directly at 1255. So that was the last one to retest previous day high after IWM did it this morning, and SPY did it as well. Gosh dang it, TradingView. Taking out all my indicators.
Damn, nice UPS trade.
I appreciate it, man. This one and FedEx. Yeah. Let me see what FedEx. Yeah, FedEx had the nice ripper stalling. I did UPS because a little sympathy play, but let me clear this out. If you go to your daily, nice back test right here of this trend line that held, and then just go to your 4-hour right here. This big green candle, once it overtook this spot right back here, looking very nice. And you had an instant 30-minute candle, broke through this high here, closed over the top of it. Very strong. So that one was a nice just risk to reward entry for the momentum. to go long here, risk that low, see if I can take these 110s in the money. But your weekly chart is the big one that I've been watching. So would like to see if it can get above 110. I'll leave some risk-free runner after that to go to 115 plus. Sold my Tesla for 67%. Thanks, Casey Trades. Average was 265. Sold them at 445. Let's go. Nice work. See, even when I don't
That's
make money
huge.
on a trade, I love people
Somebody
being
else
able to
does.
do
Let's
that.
go.
Yeah. Again,
It's
the
the
only
best.
reason I closed my Tesla earlier is just because it was choppy and I didn't like
Mhm.
how SPY and Qs were moving to the upside that morning. And
It
Tesla,
finally got going though. Damn.
yeah, and this was my stop, was closing underneath this yellow line right here. And you'll see it came down, hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 10 times. And I entered in 9:45. I mean, almost 2 hours went by and I was just getting premium burned. So then I saw myself back down 12, 15%. And I was like, I don't want to give back these UPS gains that I'm in right now if I continue to hold Tesla. So for risk management purposes today, to keep myself green, I closed them. Even though every candlestick continued to close above it. And now she is going. So
Yeah, I'm
it
in the
is what
same
it
boat.
is.
I got stopped right at break even, and then we dumped not dumped. We dropped like 20 more points, and then just reverse went right to TP. I'm like, dude, August. I know it.
Oh,
But yeah, playing
42%.
around at previous day high now. I mean, I don't have us going farther than that on NQ. So I mean, if the market stretches, whatever. But I don't really see us going past previous day high today.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Profast,
Yeah, shout out the chat hanging out with
Big
us.
Red, what's up? Tesla Groupie, hey, I was just listening to you guys on Spaces, and I saw that Tesla Groupie came up there and was talking about TSLL and option
Yeah,
selling. One of my largest holdings at one time was TSLL. My average cost basis is $8.54, and I love selling that one for premium as well. So it was nice to. I heard you guys talking about Tesla, TSLG, and everything on there.
oh yeah.
So I heard Tesla Groupie talking about selling some options and TSLL. I was like, oh snap! What are we talking
You
about?
know it.
This is my jam right here.
Yeah, apparently, Paul from Leverage Shares, she wanted some be able to do like weekly options on the ETFs there. So
Yeah,
we're trying to already get that switched over. That's so awesome. Paul's
yeah.
just like quick to act. I thought he was gonna do that like, I don't know, tomorrow or something, or like later in the week. And he was just like, no, let me do that right now. Awesome. Yep.
So SPX, we're coming up to these highs right up here. So previous high from this is the opening from Thursday, January 29th, where we got up into, which is where I'm looking for it to stay below to stay in the short. But 7,000 right above after the move that we had earlier with no decent pullbacks. I think if there was any kind of area for us to get any kind of decent pullback today, it would be when this area again would be tested, which you're seeing we kind of got fairly close. So would like to see these highs right here.
Somebody asked about space names. We're
Stay
doing
underneath
not
the
good.
pullback. Yeah, RKLB.
They're getting hit today a little bit.
Yeah, had a nasty downside candle. I still think that can go lower. It's consolidating near the lows. You go to your daily. So broke trend line. It's in a squeeze right now that just flipped bearish. You had bearish divergence on your RSI the whole time. MACD is also negative. Where it's currently kind of bouncing at is these highs from October 2025. So I still think you can see a little bit lower, closer to $70 on this one. Ooh, Apple, new high a day. Hello. Yes, please.
Let's go. Look at the strength there. Beautiful.
How much are these calls up? They're probably moving slow because they're from March. Let's see. The 280s from March, they're just over 20%. Again, here, they were up 20% this morning at the same high. So they're still holding value. Looking decent. Spine Q's kind of stalling here. Got another 5-minute squeeze.
Walmart's
Building.
up. All-time high, right, Say? Walmart?
Yep. Yeah. Eva said she's trying to speak, but it's not working on YouTube.
I can't control it because I'm on my phone, but maybe MCs are back there. There she is.
She's up on the screen. She said maybe her mic's not working.
Might be the mic you have selected, Eva. Maybe try and change it. I don't know.
Tech glitches.
Hello, testing.
Hello.
We've got
Is it working? Yay!
It's
It
working.
is working. We got you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are serving lunch on Wolf Financial Airways with Jordan and Casey. Jordan,
You know it.
We have NQ at new all-time highs. Goes with a little bit of sprinkle in there. We're back on the channel. What's up to the Casey fam chat in the Discord?
What's up?
What's up to the TWL fam? What's up, Paper Games fam?
Let's go.
How's the day been, Eva?
Oh my god, Mondays are always busy for me. I'm like at work.
Mhm.
Meetings and yeah, I'm on like a massive sprint right now till around April, so I have no life.
I get you.
I'm definitely
The
looking
grind
forward
time.
to coming to New York. Yeah, it's grind for me, unfortunately, but it's all good. I love
So I'm out here.
I can't wait to see you guys in New York, maybe in August.
I know. It's gonna be exciting. Yeah, we'll all be there. It'll be fun. The toilet plunge.
Haha. Well, beginning
Casey's
of the
setting it up.
month is usually bullish, so be careful, guys, because you got a lot of like pension funds. This is just not the US; it's global. So why fight billions of dollars? Follow the trend. As much as you want to short this, I do too.
I'm
but-
short, Eva.
I know, but hey, look, it depends what vehicle you're short. Options, you're fine. You're risking what you can afford to lose, right? So you're in futures. You better check yourself.
Oh, SPY starts ripping over 697. We're just gone.
Yeah, 30-minute is not letting up. It's building up value here. Someone says thank you to Katkar says I'm in a short and I really need some advice, please. Unfortunately, we don't give financial advice, but what was your original trading plan? Question is, guys, when you are in a trade, number one thing you should be asking yourself is where are you wrong? Where do you stop out? Right?
Yes.
Don't fight it.
And know it before you even in.
Yeah, you should know it. It's like, where are you
I'll
wrong?
give you a little leeway there if you don't, but you should. Yeah.
I can tell you now on NQ,
My dub's
previously
getting
value
perky.
area highs.
My nose is perky. Yeah, we're not really letting that down.
I'm gonna retest
My
that
computer's
940s.
just cooked.
Oh, your laptop?
Yeah, I was trying to run everything on my laptop. I'm on my phone right now.
I'm waiting for Apple's new MacBook Pro M5 Pro chip.
Oh my goodness, just let me say it, UPS. Come on. You're almost there.
My laptop's dead a few years ago.
You're almost there, baby. You can do it. I believe in you.
Squeeze.
I know. I'm just waiting to say 110 calls in the money.
I think NQ, if this is going to overshoot, obviously 26k is your psyche level. Previous day open. Previous day high is at 26,019,20 area. So that's my like target for maybe seeing some rejection. Because as far as I'm concerned, it's building value here, and that's usually very bullish. 5 minute higher time frames is still not broken structure. Okay. ES very strong. The big brother to NQ. Always watch that as well as Confluence.
Especially on a day like this where it was leading, it took out a lot of my targets that I had to the upside on ES before we ever did on NQ, which made it harder for me to long, but I still tried it.
Your RTY is very strong. Ethereum's up 3.38%. Bitcoin up 2.13. We're back at 78.5k, 2300.
I'm gonna try my computer again here in a minute. I think I'm gonna be able to get it. Should have my PC set up probably by the end of the week.
You moving out there for a bit?
Yeah, I took everything.
Did you sell your Tesla?
No, that's at home.
Okay. I have to come out and visit you guys.
But yeah, definitely. I packed up 2 suitcases, threw my PC in one of them, and stuffed as many clothes around it so it didn't get like ruined in the checked bag. And what's hilarious about that is I bought a brand new suitcase just for my PC, and I took American Airlines. I get off my flight to go get my checked bag, and there's just a wheel gone.
What?
Brand new. There's just one wheel. Gone.
What?
Wait, what? It must be a 3.
They took my wheel. Yeah, the 3 were there. There was one wheel gone, and so I was like a little confused. But I was assuming, I was like, oh, I'm gonna open my bag and my PC is just gonna be in pieces probably. But it was fine. We were all good. Only one key came off my keyboard, and I put it back on.
Guess what? I don't fly with American Airlines.
Yeah, it's probably a good move.
I don't like any of the American
Well,
Airlines.
they do have your first checked bag is always free. So I was like, hey. But then I went 3 pounds over and I had to pay for it anyway.
That's such a Jordan move.
I told her because she's like, oh, you're over. I'm like, how far? She's like 3 pounds. I'm like, bro, 3 pounds. Like, could have been free. I just spent $30 on the bag. Damn it.
That's funny.
But we made it out here safe and sound.
Oh, I'm not doing that again.
I think I'm gonna be able to join from my computer again. I think it's all showing now. Come on, please. Give Emp a break of having to control everything.
Listen, mate, when you're not sure when to close your position, the simple question is, where are you wrong? It sounds like you should have stopped out a long time ago.
Wait, you guys ready? You can see double. Oh, we got double ready. Hey, it's the Matrix. This is weird.
Oh, that's weird.
It's his twin brother.
Yeah, it's the other.
Oh no! Jordan went quiet and kicked Eva. Damn. Oh no. Let's
You
go.
booted me?
Eva's back. He did.
I was like, what's up with that? That was, wasn't it?
Oh, come on. Just one candle up. You can do it. I've waited 4 hours to say this.
No, don't double down on a losing trade. It's better to exit and then replan and re-enter a brand new trade, yeah?
Data J, what the fuck? Said just keep
No.
doubling down until
Yeah,
profit.
no,
Jesus Christ.
no martingale
No.
here. No, no, no. Not allowed. Sorry. Get out of my room now.
IWM Russell new high of day. Q's back testing previous day high right now. Getting a little bouncy. UPS is 11 cents away. Just let me do it.
And once you look at Walmart,
Wally World.
look at her go, dude.
Yeehaw, baby.
Spicy.
Yeehaw.
That's ridiculous. Wow, so market's gonna
Absolutely.
close at 5 p.m. here? That's insane. It's already 3 o'clock.
Oh, yeah,
I feel like
that's
it's still
gonna be really
morning
funny.
time. Yeah, it's gonna take some getting used to.
Rivian.
Wake up
Oh,
early.
what you doing,
Ooh.
Rivian? Oh, what you doing? Come on, save me. Save me.
Data J. That is facts.
That is very true.
Yeah. But yeah, in all reality, guys, I mean, like, you gotta have those spots picked out right beforehand. Like this morning, the trade I took, I knew before I even took the trade, I know where I'm entering, where I'm stopping out, where I'm even going break even once I get into enough profit, right? Like you have that all laid out. And in my opinion, like if you can't have that all laid out in the beginning, it's probably not a trade you should take, right? So it's tough, but you got to have that stuff figured out beforehand. No toilet yet. Just need to take out that 697 high first.
We're just grinding on up.
Yeah.
I still want this to be high of day. Get a decent pullback into the close. Vol D hit the zero line perfectly right when SPY back tested this area right at the level and the trend line. That was a really nice area. UPS, you son of a gun.
RTY new
Let me
highs.
fine.
Meta's trying to pick it up from the lows. That actually looking pretty good. It was trash this morning. Sideways. Starting to pick up some momentum like Tesla kind of did. D's holding. Netflix back down. Hood's down 10%.
My thoughts on Hood to the gulag.
Yeah, I mean, we could look at higher time frames and maybe I guarantee I find something here in this bigger time frame, but it's nasty right now. And what do you look at that? Yeah, I go to a weekly, I mean, oh, no, go to a monthly. I don't know, I see us, we've drilled a lot on Hood, and it's easy to say that this thing could just keep drilling, but I'm looking at this July month low. I'd like to see if we can get some sweep and price action off that. If not, maybe it's that previous all-time high at like $67.
I would love to see Jordan just hit it directly on the head. So right here, if we lose this spot on Hood, I have a level marked at 66.2. So near 67. I would like to see Hood, honestly, bounce here, go back up, reclaim maybe 100, or that can be the start of a short. But back testing 105 and then a lower high trend line test right there as well, I think could be a great short spot. So if it continues to hold 90, if it goes back up near 100 to 105, I think it's a great spot to look for shorts. But back down here, if it loses 90 again, I would just like to see this thing trickle all the way back down to mid 70s and then around $66.
We're mewing hard down in Puerto Rico. Oh my gosh, I forgot my Jaws-sizer. That guy got me. I didn't bring it. I'll have to tell Mama send it. New cut, new color. Oh yeah. Although my hair didn't get as dark as I wanted it. I tried. I left it on for like way too long too.
Yeah, Silver.
Why
needs to
Puerto Rico?
hold
The whole
in.
team's down here, man. Pretty much the whole Wolf crew's down here. Besides like a couple of them, one of them being Emp in Mexico, but like
Ah,
majority of the crew is
Close enough.
down here. So I thought, let me come down and let's just buy a ticket there and hang out. So I packed up all my shit and got out here. Boy's already a local, you know it. Yeah. It's funny, the Uber driver, he's like trying to tell me like spots around here. Last night I'm like, yeah, I've been here. I'm like, I know all the spots. Because I mentioned Pizza City. He's like, you know Pizza City. Like, Pizza City. He's like, they're open 24 hours. I know they are. Me and Emp established that. Passport bros. Isla Verde, yes, Daniel. That is where I am. Basically, like if you're looking at it on the map, there's Isla Verde and then there's Beginner's Beach. We're right to the left of Beginner's Beach area. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Hey, nice job. $420 profit on Tessie. Nice. M said watch Wayfair. I think he said something about speculation of Bury buying Wayfair. Nice job on Tessie. Where's she at? Get up into that gap. Yeah, just hit the volume shelf. It's like half gap, almost perfectly there. Nice job.
I thought PR was a tax haven for capital gains. That too. Yeah.
That's the perk.
It's also a great thing about Puerto Rico. Yes, Sabala, best chicken sandwich on the island. Couldn't agree more.
Ooh.
So good, bro.
A Puerto Rican chicken sandwich.
It is the best chicken sandwich I've ever had. We all talk about Dave's hot chicken and Popeyes, bro. I'll never eat Dave's again if I can eat Sabala every day, dude. Never. Rippy or drippy. Still looking pretty rippy. Can you believe I lost on longs today? Well, didn't lose. Break even.
You know what I have on my to-do list this week, Jordan?
What's that?
I want to copy trade my futures account
Let's go.
for the first
Get on it.
time. So
Are you just grouping them together on TradeEvade, or are you using
Yeah, I
Trade
think
Syncer?
I think so. I think I'll just group them together on TradeEvade.
Yeah. You can do that. There's no problem. The only problem you'll run into is if you want to start copy trading multiple different prop firms, then it's like you can't really do that.
Yeah.
But like if you're just
I'll
copy
use
trading
all the
a
same.
TradeEvade, like a Tradeify accounts only, you can do that, no problem.
Sweet. Apple, make me fucking rich.
Let's go.
Ah! Y'all said I was crazy. I know they just had earnings, but I said 280. I want to see 280 on Apple. Come on now. Let's go, Apple. Let's go. Wow, wow, wow. Come on, give me $100 per contract gain.
Let's go, man. Somebody just took a $45,000 payout on the $150,000 advanced options
She ain't.
account from Vanquish. Let's go.
Let's go. She ain't 280
Shout
if she
out.
ain't a lady. Let's go, Bagoosh.
Yeah. Shout out Blair. 45G
Oh,
payout. That's
Apple.
huge.
All right. You can take a little Trimskis here. These are now at 360. Sending the alert now. It's 3, 2, 1. Boop. There you go.
You have to manually set bracket copy trading with Tradeovate. Oh, that's annoying. I wouldn't. Yeah.
Wait, what?
I don't know if that will affect you or not, but
Dude, ooh, watch IWM Evening Star 5-minute reversal, almost at the top of my zone right here. Watch this right there.
let's go Rico saying he's signing up for Clear Edge today. Let's go, baby. Use code Wolf. Get that 7-day free trial. And then I think once the free trial's up, if you still use that code, you'll still get like $50 off once you do get charged, which is dope. So shout out to that. If you guys want to automate trades, obviously they have strategies and stuff you guys can dip into, but the software itself just made to like automate is phenomenal. So go try it out if you guys have your own strategies, or maybe you don't, you want to try out theirs, you can. A lot of people think they're like, I don't know, known for the strategies, but it's really the platform itself. The strategies are just kind of extra.
I need to start getting on that now that I'm more busy at work.
Well, and what's nice about it is it's kind of like a copy trader. Like you could definitely use it that way. So I know Tommy does. Will copy trade a strategy on multiple accounts. Clear Edge makes that possible. For trading these accounts, what are new traders trading? Is it 0-day options? Again, I trade my shares, so I know zero about options. I would say either most people are doing maybe 0 days or like, you know, a week out or so, but day trading. Or just option selling. To be honest, I know me personally, I haven't really traded directionally on those accounts. I've only done spreads.
Gosh. Let's go, Apple. Save my account, baby.
I've been mostly selling spreads and some 0DTE or weekly options. Yeah, that's pretty much what majority are doing, I would say. My algo has been long since 7:30. Let's go. Rejectocito cud. Walmart new all-time high, almost $1 trillion market cap. Wow. Let's go.
I've never done it, but seen a tutorial about copy trading and Tradovate. Yeah, like grouping the trades together and stuff, I'm not super familiar with, but I know you can do it. I'm a trade sinker guy. I just like, I don't know, it's so easy. And you can
Oh,
just use multiple brokers.
go.
Oh, Apple's just not stopping,
Let's
gosh.
go. 4 hour squeeze. Where are we going, baby? I want you to go right there, right there. See the
5,600 a day.
tippity top right there? Oh my god, Apple. Fucking go.
Are you near Fajardo? Cool islands off there. Let me see.
Go, baby, go.
Fajardo is... So that's just more on the east side.
East side? Dude, they're still holding this trend line, just cruising on up.
I'm about an hour away from Fajardo.
He's strong.
There are some cool islands out there, though. I see what you're talking about. We'll have to go venture around over there at some point. Go grab a jet ski or something and go enjoy. But yeah, I'm about an hour from there. I'm pretty much like downtown San Juan, just not like all the way down in old San Juan.
Stop has moved up on Apple calls. The 280s for March, they no longer will ever go red.
Oh wow, Tommy's like big dog now.
Green, baby.
He's long 17 accounts, damn. This is just, that's exactly why I love it, man. It's like, let's just say, make $500 on 17 accounts. That's an $8,500 trade. I'm just in love with that. I'm in love with adding more allocation, but not having to change your trading in any way, not even sizing. But the flip side is you go on tilt one day and it's bad, all your accounts are gone. That's why I'm very diligent and I do not let that happen. But you got to be careful. So it's anyone that's looking at that. I know copy trading is enticing and I tell you guys to do it all the time, but don't do it until you're actually consistently trading and like consistently winning. Because if you go on tilt and you're 20 accounts deep, it's gonna suck, man. It's not gonna be good. But in my opinion, if you're truly consistent, you shouldn't be going on tilt like that. And if you do go on tilt, you should be able to recognize it and fix it very fast and not ruin all your accounts. So happy medium in between the two. So just be careful. I don't want to lead anybody into freaking just blowing more accounts than they need to. $13 manual I trade and I'm only in one long. Got it. Yeah. I've never really gotten above the 10 mark. I need to do more.
I gotta hop off, guys. I'll catch you later.
No worries, Eva. Thanks for hanging.
Bye, Eva.
See you on Wolf EU tomorrow morning, 7 a.m.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah, shout out to that. If you guys haven't watched that show yet or listened in, and you're up early on the East Coast or anywhere else in the world, listen to the European show with Eva every morning.
Yeah, we're talking about healthcare tomorrow.
Oh, let's go.
Refreshing.
Nice.
Yeah, I've got quite a few interesting guests, quite a full panel. Decided. And then I think next week I'll be doing a metal show for sure. Yeah. 7 a.m. Eastern. Spaces,
7
Wolf
a.m.
Financial.
Eastern.
Or
You know,
follow me
after
on
after I get settled in a little bit and like actually kind of convert over to this time, I'll
Mm.
probably be able to hop on some of those potentially with you
Oh yeah, that'd be dope.
because
For
I'll
sure.
actually be up now.
I know, not on the East West Coast time.
It won't be 4 a.m. for me, you know.
Yeah, it was challenging to get some of the US folks on sometimes. Even 7
Yeah.
a.m. is a bit early. Should be up by then, most guys.
Heck
agree.
no.
Seriously, too much. He's like,
That's too
Casey, you have
early.
kids.
Dude, I've skipped the gym the last like 2.5 months because I can't get my ass out of bed at 6 a.m. I feel
Come
terrible.
on, Casey. You got to
I
get back in
know.
it, bro. You got to
I
get back
know,
in it,
man.
man.
I need to get back in it too. I've been slacking on that side. It's been crazy for me.
If not for your body, for your head, bro. Keep things right up there.
I know.
It's so funny.
You know, if
how
anybody's
people
gonna
think
tell you, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you, motherfucker. You better not be slipping.
I know. I've been slipping. But now it's snowing outside. I can't even drive and go. I mean, what am I supposed
Oh,
to
no
do?
thanks. No
Need
thanks.
some weights at home.
I was thinking about getting a
David
You
Goggins
should.
will
garage
tell you to
into
go
a
run
home
in the
gym.
snow.
I wouldn't mind
No
that.
pain, no gain. Oh, what's up, Brian? He's
Is
back.
Eva an AI? She is an AI. We
Yeah,
have
apparently I
created
am.
her. And
Merkel set to
yeah.
raise 25 billion bond.
Oh, yeah. We
Hello,
just
Ryan.
created Eva as like an AI chatbot, and we just join it from our other computers. And
Yeah. I'm really in Puerto Rico.
Are you? You're not living on a Mac Mini somewhere?
Yeah, in Puerto Rico on a claw bot through the other bot too that joined.
But it was
us.
Moltbot.
Yeah, and then I molded into a Molt bot. And then that's when
Let's
the
go,
whole
David.
VT thinks I'm an AI.
I thought you were like on an Air France like flight right now.
No. Excuse me, I'm on the Wolf Financial Airways flight.
yes.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Mm-mm.
Anyway, I have to run, guys. But love y'all and
Love
see
you,
later.
Eva. We'll see you later.
Bye, Eva.
Eva is Dolores from Westworld. All the comments are rolling in now. Get back in the gym.
Jordy, what? I just want to know what happened earlier. Like, I just want to know what's going on over there because your
Dude.
face where it froze was the funniest thing. I'm over here trying to host the space, and your face is just frozen on my screen, just mewing
Dude,
so
that
hard.
that is the face I'm making when I'm just waiting for fucking TV to hit. Right? It's just like, no.
That's what chat was saying. It was hilarious, and I was like, "KC, come save us!"
Well, I
Help is
I
on
was
the
just
way,
on
dear.
here, and out of nowhere, I noticed like my candlestick isn't moving, and nobody's talking in the stream. I'm like, this has been too quiet. This ain't working, bro. Like, what's happening?
Bro, trying to like
everything's froze.
do this in the background while trying to run a space.
I know.
Oh my god!
Brutal. I was like,
Luckily, I'm not in a trade.
I know. I was trying to freaking get back on, dude. I'm like, this is not working. So I just joined from my phone, and then now my computer's loading fine. I don't know. Made it work. How to refine my algo, but I haven't looked at that yet.
All the time.
Save £50 for a family of 4. Use code WOLF.
RKT is back into the gap here. Looking good. Nice bounce.
We're like wicked into the gap that we left and haven't done anything. But
Nada.
yeah, I couldn't fade this thing as much as I wanted to. I just couldn't fade it. If it goes and fills the gap, I'll think about it. It needs velocity though, and we don't have velocity right now.
I think
Yeah.
we go higher. I just think we should see a pullback, but I mean, Mark can just be like, "Fuck no pullbacks. We're just gonna keep grinding, slow melt up."
Yeah, if it wants to just keep pushing, we're almost at all time high. By the way,
That's the thing. So
10 points away on
it's-
SPX.
The overnight move, especially on QQQ. I mean, Q's was down to 610, and then the 4 a.m. session opened up directly at my 614.50, and now we're at 628. So you're talking from bottom to top right here. I mean, we're up like freaking $15+ on QQQ, and we're right at previous day high. We're hitting an area of just resistance kind of across the board. Like this zone right here on IWM, I think we should 100% see a rejection and a move back down. I still think Qs reject right up here. I think we should see a move back down. SPY, same
Microsoft
thing.
looks bad,
I want to see that move back down.
but like somebody like Google and Amazon, they're probably just going to keep tracking their way up. Apple broke over 265,
I know.
insane. You're seeing a lot of really
Ah!
bullish things going on here.
Let's go, Apple 270.
Was
And
that
then
Jordan's
280.
mic this whole time?
What?
I guess. I don't know. It's like for me because I'm like hosting this thing, like everyone's mic is louder. I can like hear this air condition, like the little air conditioning thing running, I think. I don't know. Jordy's post cracked me up. He had a post. He just has like a bed in the apartment. He's like, life as a crypto bro. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So QQQ, yeah, I'm looking at if you trade NQ the futures, it's like 990s. NDX, it takes you to right at like 880 that area, and on QQQ that same gap is 629. 35 629 spot 35 is the gap that we left. So we're wicking into it right here. So the gap is based on where we closed Thursday, and then gap down Friday and left that gap. That's the one that I'm currently talking about. Walmart is a monster. What a monster.
Hey, you like that? You like that empty apartment post?
That was hilarious.
That was funny, huh? And then I
The accuracy.
reposted from Wolf Trading. I'm like, that crypto dip hitting hard, man.
Dude, I gotta figure out my travel plans.
What for what? What are we for August or for early?
No, for March.
Ah,
Oh, someone tell me not to add a short on IWM up here as well. I don't want to.
IWM did fill that gap, by the way. And that's where
Look
it's
at
ridiculous.
QQQ rejecting previous day high at the top of the zone still. Come on. What time is it? Let's just sell off for the next hour.
Yeah, it's over that NFP. But if SPY wants to come back down to NFP to end the day, that'd be great. What we got?
Like, can we just freaking rug?
I know it's tough. It's like I don't really have us going higher, but I also this thing is not letting up yet. So
All I know is it looks
I'm
like
doubling
we're going to
down.
all-time highs.
I'm
That's
doubling
what-
down on my short.
Me and Rizzo said this morning. Now, I mean, I'm
Yeah.
not saying like in the next hour 40 minutes. I'm just saying.
No, but I'm with
new
you.
all-time highs is that just based on the reaction of what we did, all the areas we flew back off of last night.
IWM
You pull back into today's range a little bit, like tonight, tomorrow, and we'll see going into the. I mean, you got to have some good news to take it. You need a catalyst to take you there, but the chart's set up to go there. It's where the chart wants to go, in my opinion. All right. I've been sitting here for almost 5 hours. I haven't peed yet. This coffee is working on me.
Go pee, bro.
Oh, IWM 263 puts for Friday. Oh,
You have SMT at those highs. A little bit. And it could mean something because it is that previous day high. There's no order flow up here, Tommy. Is there? I mean, do you see any that I'm not seeing? And not inversions, but like not like old inversions, like fresh untapped gaps. I don't see any real order flow. I guess on ES, you kind of do. Oh no, but we ran through that. I do think, regardless of us having order flow or not, though, that SMC could potentially hold just because how much we ran today at the time of day right now and previous day highs. It's actually 26,000.
look at SPY. Right to it. Directly. Directly. If I just delete this off the chart, can it go lower? Let's just take it off the chart. Like, if I take the support off the chart, it shouldn't hold, right?
Yeah, that's how it works.
That's how technical analysis
Bro,
works.
where's Bitcoin? Is it still not? Oh, it bounced.
Did you see where it did? You see it didn't sweep the weekly lows by like $100
I know,
or
80
something?
bucks, dude. 80 bucks,
80
bro.
was.
Okay, so here's my thoughts. The same thing as the way I looked at it on the monthly chart. How we got that bounce like beginning of the month, and it was looking good at the previous month highs, but then we just swept those highs and left. I have to think it's something similar here right now. When I look at the daily, we're getting a nice bounce on Bitcoin before those lows for sure. But order flow will tell me if we're gonna run through this and this is a potential low, or we're gonna go to where I want, those 2025 lows. So I'm just looking to see if we sweep previous day high and respect that bearish order flow sitting there. So if we can, still think we're going lower. If we start to run through that, I'm like, oof. That's annoying.
Never gonna give it up. Never gonna let it down.
Always gonna hurt you.
Always gonna stop
Thank
you. Boy, what a day!
What a day.
Really haven't
Yeah,
done
a
a
great
whole
day.
lot,
Me neither.
but it's
Just the one trade,
played out
but
pretty.
still a great day.
I mean, once the morning happened, it gave me a pretty good indication of what the rest of the day was going to look like.
Alright. Let's see. Jesus Christ. I double dipped. Let's see. Jesus. Oh no.
I'll wait and like catch it on the way down or something. There is like 820 is a pretty high probability that we can revisit like 100-point drop if it just starts rolling. But
I did the Russell. So let's see.
yeah, I was sitting on the 21 again. That one looks more.
Look at the
tuckered
30.
out.
Look at your 30 minutes about to close, where it rejected
Yeah.
as well. I gotta try it. I mean, this isn't This isn't an enter long up here. This is, if you're long, you've just been chilling in it all day on this slow melt. But
There's no real reaction here and a strong trend for me to want to short. If anything, I think it's gonna.
you piece of shit.
I think it's gonna push to fill the gap. I think
Well,
Microsoft and Nvidia probably catch a bounce.
11 cents away. Dadgummit, UPS.
What else was I looking at? Some of the other names are like cooling off a little bit. Some of the ones that were doing really well in the Nasdaq this morning. I don't know what Salesforce like pushed off the open and then just 20 red candles in a row.
Oh, bad. Oracle 160 puts weekly.
Hood was down 10% at one point earlier.
I
Disgusting.
know. Bad.
Gross. Rivian's under 15. Holy.
Oh, I'm long as shit.
Long.
I am
It'd be cool if
long.
Coinbase could bounce.
Long
my-
AF.
My favorite airline is a 5% bounce today.
Airlines
Which
look good
oil-
in general.
Well, oil. Sorry, I have a sick baby at my house. I haven't slept much the last 48 hours. Oil getting just wrecked is what it's really helping those airlines.
Oh, come on. Just start the roll. Come on. Start the roll. Oh.
Dude, until it closes something under that 21, I just have no faith.
Come on, IWM. Get me something back here. My alert on UPS went off. They're almost in the money.
ES is in the pivot point. Which pivot point is ES in? Who said that? Tommy? The pivot points I use it's like smack between R1 and R2. I don't know if you have a different way of doing that. Nat gas I think nat gas is getting wrecked because everybody hedges into cold weather, and then when the cold weather passes, they get out. That's why they call it the Widowmaker.
Yep.
Oh, UPS! Ding, ding, ding! No,
Wow. What
Nine-
R is that?
That is
It's like a 12R trade now.
No,
What's
no,
5R?
it's a 1 to 5.5.
Okay.
It hit
That's still
109.98. Come on. Let me say in the money.
Get 'em.
Have you looked at FedEx, bro?
That's the reason why I took UPS. So FedEx
Yeah, I know
was already
as well,
leading
too.
the way and making new all-time highs. UPS is doing higher lows
Yeah.
on the daily, and it was a catch-up trade. Oh, here we go.
Dude, the
All right, I'm up
FedEx
55% right here. Oh, come on, 2 pennies.
Do
The
it.
FedEx weekly chart is crazy.
It's insane.
I like that one. I
Come
likes
on.
that one.
Whee!
Silver sideways.
Somebody mentioned this one earlier today, but JB Hunt. It's not like a sexy name, but it's having a good day, and it looks like it's in the same sector. Seems to be strong. Gotta ship it.
Oh, Q's, come on, baby. You broke trend line. Now it's time to rug. Come on, look at this. Look at this squeeze. Look at this MACD. Look at this RSI. Go on. Rug.
What's even pulling it down? We have like ES
I don't
is
know.
like
I don't know.
It's still
but
above the
just
9
rug
at
it.
high of day.
Just fucking rug it.
Makes
I
me
mean,
want to like buy it.
Spy's still holding. IWM still holding. But no, go on. Just rug. Dude, if they stop that thing 2 pennies shy, oh my god.
There's the 21.
21. Short.
I had to like double check my yes chart that it wasn't frozen, even though the one beside it's moving. Because I'm like, well, this is just not even SPY and ES aren't even pulling back.
Oh. All right, buyers, don't step it in. Don't step in. Just let it rug. Let it rug, daddy. Let it rug.
Might flatten my automation trade. Not a bad idea when you're up as much as you are. Just to lock it in, but make sure you go back and turn them off so it doesn't enter when it tries to sell out.
Hit the
NFT
money
right here.
Finally.
Let's go, Casey.
Jesus.
That was a phenomenal
All right.
trade, bro. Good job.
Appreciate it. All right, 62% UPS 110 calls in the money. There we go. Jesus.
Racks on racks on racks. What time is it?
Time for you to get a watch. All right, alert sent. Bing bong. Let's fucking go. There you go, Q's. Bring it down, Shotty. Shotty, get down. Good lord.
Microsoft new low. Netflix new low.
Come on. Yes! Start the rugathon. Let's go. Come on. Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Wolf Trading Rugathon live on stream.
Woo! IWM! Ah! Don't make me trim. Oh, you're gonna make me trim.
Ooh.
263 puts in the money. I'm trimming here.
Cool.
There we go, baby. Boom!
It's a hard knock life.
Build.
Us.
Fuck yeah. Got 11 evening star at the top of an uptrend at resistance. Alright, now keep these calls in the money. Let's juice these premiums if we start getting a pullback overall. But this is a spot it has to break. Definitely trim spot here. Alright, just sent the alert. All right, Apple's up 40. These are up 60. Rugathon, come on, baby. Break these freaking levels to the gulag.
Tell me not to buy it at 900.
Dude, this is a buy. This is what I'm scared of. This spot that IWM just hit, SPY's about to hit, and Q's is hitting right now. This
like
all
these.
of this gives out in the back half of the session going to the close. I get my rug and I get paid across the board. This is what I need. IWM.
First, this Harvey, you're gonna get dunked on. Secondly, Tommy just dunked on you for. I think chat's got our back.
Let's go. Tango, nice job on IWM. 262 puts out half there. Great work. There we go. Nice job.
Ooh, is Valdez selling off?
Yeah, it finally broke the zero line. You just had your tick just went minus 800. Some most. It's been overextended to the downside here. Come on now. Look at that sell on UPS right there at 110. Fucking snipe.
A big shout out to KC coming in and putting a screen up here. Like Sunday nights, you all should be tuning in. KC goes through charts. He brought Will on with him last night. I was sitting there watching it with a baby in my hand, just watching him go through charts, sharing thoughts, setups, all that good stuff. Every Sunday night. Also, check out KC if you want to dive in a little bit deeper. I know he just recently did a really good mastermind class. He also is teaching all the time, live trading in his Discord as well. So big shout out to KC. I'm in that Discord. I hang out in there. I'm always snooping.
Appreciate you.
And if you're in there, tag me sometime if you ever want to know anything, have a question, whatever. Feel free. But definitely check it out. Follow KC. I mean, if anything, his kids are cute. So
True. I may be ugly, but my kids are adorable.
come on.
Midpoint of the order block right there, baby.
I troll better than Trump is a strong statement. I don't know. I can't do anything here. I'm up way too much. I even had a decent little I sold some spreads on Vanquish earlier. Closed out of those, made a little profit. Probably could have let them go, but looked like it could have been a pretty strong trend day, so took my profit and ran. Amazon, anyone? I think Amazon's one of the best looking charts. I mean, they have earnings, so what do you do ahead of earnings? But I think Amazon's chart setup looks really, really good. The earnings are solid. Oh, there you go, KC. Little Selsky,
Yes,
They're
rug it for
trying.
me. Rug.
I tell you what's not rugging. Walmart, greatest company in the world.
No, Walmart's the only reason this market was moving the way it was today.
Netflix new lows.
You start seeing red candles on Walmart, you better short everything.
Yeah. Palantir has earnings. We'll stay live for that, by the way. Apple's still at highs.
There you go, baby.
Costco was having a hell of a day today, too, I saw. If you like break down here to like 870s and then bounce back to here on NQ, for example, like go down to like 875, come back and reject like 905, 912, then maybe you can short it to like 840, 820.
Let's see if they bounce it. That's the spot. The bottom of the zone.
One of Z spots.
In the last 21 days, I've been green 19. That's incredible. Great work. All right, Tessie just back tested pre-market high. Bouncing. AMD rejected 250 psych level again, perfectly to the penny. This was a short this morning that I was looking at. It just rejected again, so now you're getting a little double toppy action right there. I don't need UPS anymore. That trade's done. So IWM 45%. Nice job. Let's go. Great work.
$2,600 for a payout on Apex? Like, what do you mean? I think per account it's max 2K per payout. But you might need to make 26 initially. Someone took a $45,000 payout on Vanquish today. I know. We were talking about it. Blair. Shout out Blair.
That's crazy. I don't know. We need to find out who Blair is.
Yeah,
Get
who's
on the
Blair and
stream.
why is he not hanging with us, man? This 45 G's on 150K. That's awesome.
Oh, it could be a he too, right? He or she.
Yeah, either. Killing it though. Love to see it.
Oh, you guys missed it. You know, One Texas that's in our chat all the time got his first payout ever today. Took $1,000 out.
Hey,
We celebrated.
let's
We
go.
celebrated hard for him earlier.
Let's
That's
go.
awesome.
Hard enough times for us. Rock, 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 rock. Rock it. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. Oh!
Boom.
All right, let's see what they want to do here. Do we want to bounce and back test and then go lower, or just reclaim back in the chop zone? I prefer if neither of those things happen and we just continue to just get red candles and go lower. But this is a bouncy spot. Every time I'm in the street, I hear sell, 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 sell.
Go. Where you from, my bubba?
Bubba. Ugh. Worst case scenario, they hold it here. We don't take out the swing high, and we just close up in this area and chop, and just burn premium for another hour. That's a worst case scenario. Because that's just no fun. I still think tapping into the area that we did deserves a pullback. Q's looking good. SPY holding up better. IWM dipped and is popping right back up to the same spot. AMD rejection. Microsoft looking disgusting. Flip it and reverse it. After your tick went
down, flipping and reverse it. Ooh,
Whoa. Whoa.
got him.
Restream bugging. After your tick that went minus 800 there, we are catching a big bounce on the tick. So lines up with SPY to bounce off the same area of support. AGQ. It's in a 15-minute squeeze leaning upside right now. I printed a Morningstar reversal right here. It's looking good so far.
Yeah, silver's getting a little push. So is gold. Silver a little bit more so. Nvidia's coming down decently. Microsoft towards lows.
Silver.
Oh, Apple.
Still cruising? Yeah, come on, get to my magnet. Who was outside my door 15 minutes ago? Oh. Send it down. Yeah, QQQ. Yeah. You gonna make me triple dip. You gonna make me triple dip like the appetizer from Chili's.
That sounds good.
Right. Rug it. Just rug it. Rug. Rug City, USA. No more choppy choppy. Rug, rug, rug.
Oh. Dude, if Apple would
Oh.
slow down, it might help you.
I can risk a little bit of profits on Apple if it wants to pull back, if it helps SPY and Q sell off a little bit. I waited to see how Apple was reacting. I bought last minute on Friday. Nice job. Nice work on Apple. You bought them at 249. Nice. Well, congratulations, because they just hit like 400. Nice work. Shawty get down, good lord. SPY's still holding. Q's is the weak. I mean, I know Microsoft is weak. Oh, NVIDIA, Jesus.
Yeah, no, the video just started running, dude.
NVIDIA just went.
So I didn't try to play bounce. I was like, okay, NVIDIA and Microsoft just sold hard.
AMD sympathy off that double top still going. Oh, no. Not really moving too much off it. Just NVIDIA. Let's go.
Broadcom selling.
Let's go, baby. Silver. Push it, push it. Push it. Oh, push it, push it. Oh, push it real good. Ooh, 56% on the Apple 280 calls for March. Let's go.
Still here. And the video went crazy. Ghost taking a silver lotto.
Ooh.
Dude, is Cat still going? Oh my god. Almost up 5%. Dude, Cat is so vertical. Why? I mean, it's just like, why would I sell at this point? It just keeps going. What's going on in the video?
Palantir, sell it to the gulag.
Palantir getting cooked.
I got those cat leaps. That's amazing.
Dude. Palantir earnings, give me freaking 140 break and sell that thing down to the trend line like 130 would be insane. It's working. Fuck, no, it's not. Daggone it. Oh. Ugh. Ugh.
Leaves cooking. Smack it. There we go. Smacking it down.
Whoopsies. Oh, I don't like how that candle closed right there. Like that. No, come on. This next candle. Come on. Just tap into this area right here. I mean, if you want to go back up, bounce and retest and reject, that's fine. I'd prefer if you didn't, because that's just stupid. Just continuation. Except for Apple. Just you keep doing your thing, girl. You're saving my day right now. Where are we at? They're at 405. Dang. Dang.
No, we bounced right off of that, didn't we? Now, if we go back up and reject, then maybe I get interested. Oh, I did see. I did see this. Cameron, AstraZeneca. They I think they moved to the NASDAQ or something.
Interesting.
I mean, I don't think it's really up 100%, but I don't know all the details of it. I just remember seeing a headline that they were moving to trade on the NASDAQ, on the NYSE. Or not the NASDAQ, I'm sorry, the New York Stock Exchange, the NYSE.
Wonder if it's doing PLTR earnings. Probably. He's big
Bro,
on that.
Apple's still going.
I just said the alert. I'm up 50%. They're at
I was about to test that,
$405 on the contracts.
That after hours wick from earnings is about to hit that.
Yeah, you got some resistance up here. On Apple right here is your daily back test of your daily 50 right there. Literally, it's right there. So this was fun.
It's suspect NVIDIA sell. That is weird looking. On no news.
Gotta be in power hour. Power hours from 4 to 5. That's so weird.
Hood's about to make a new look.
Cooked.
Oracle at yesterday's lows. Or Friday's lows, I should say. A big pop on ES right there.
Yeah, AQs. Big candles coming in
Right
now.
off the old outer VWAP band.
Holy shit. Look at these candles.
I don't know if you guys use the outer VWAP band. I know Jordan doesn't. Casey, I don't know if you've ever looked at it, but I really like it on especially on futures.
Oh yeah, I'm moping all over.
I was like thinking, okay, if it does this and then rejects here, like maybe take the short, but this 15-minute candle it got me rethinking it a little bit.
Oh,
5-10 minute, that looks
yes,
good. Hold on.
yes,
They're
Hold on.
giving it to him.
motherfuckers! I'm trimming.
There's gotta be a
There we
headline.
go. I don't care what it is, baby. I don't give a shit what it is. Trim. Fucking trim. Thank you. Come again.
It's gotta be something with the video. The whole market's selling off though. There's big volume across the board.
Thank you
There's-
and come
There's
again.
nothing on the squawk right now.
What the fuck? All right, I'm out majority here.
Still no news here.
The news is we triple dipped and fucked this thing. Great job. Great freaking job. Straight to target. Look at that. No, I love you guys. Holy shit.
Something's going on.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god. I can't.
U.S. Treasury expects to borrow 109 billion in Q2. Yeah, Treasury.
Bing motherfucking bong.
It was a Treasury note that just came out on the Treasury website. IWM just got big time.
Got
Volume.
smoked. Dude, did we literally just go to the toilet? We just went to the toilet. Spy. I mean, we wicked all the way down right here. I'm done. This is freaking nuts. Holy shit.
First quarter Treasury expected to borrow 574 billion. Sees in cash balance of 850. Expects to borrow 109 billion in Q2. Sees in cash balance of 900 billion. All right.
What?
It's crazy. I said I wanted 820s. It went to 821. Damn it.
Dude, my Apple does not care.
Yeah, I don't know if I missed out because I didn't know if I was really going to take the trade or not. We also hit VWAP perfectly there on QQQ.
Apple, holy shit, up 113%. Nice job, guys. W's in the chat for this fucking short. Let's go. Waited all day for a big reaction up in this area. Let's go. Great job.
This is to bounce it right back up, aren't they?
Oh, they could do whatever they want to do now. This is getting wild. I'm just
Is
watching Apple. Holy shit.
Nvidia has been selling hard with increasing volume.
How do you triple dip on these, catch the short while being in Apple calls? What an afternoon. It's incredible.
You know what else didn't care?
Walmart!
Greatest company in the world.
Greatest
The
company
best.
ever.
Didn't
Oh.
you pull back? We're going to a
UPS.
trillion.
UPS, new high a day, up almost 70% right here.
Homeless Depot new high of day.
So HD and Lowe's
GE.
looked really good yesterday.
All those industrial names are at the highs.
Ooh, my SoFi puts are still up 60%.
Banks are strong today too. God, BMNR is under $23. What the hell? Microsoft's bouncing. To Nvidia, what in the world?
What? I needed that. Let's go. Apple's going to hit 260 or 270 today. Oh my goodness gracious. This is dumb.
Dude, look at
Oh,
SPY.
this is a huge day. Uh-oh. There he is. Dawes had a huge
Oh.
day. 18K. Uh-oh.
You or me? You or me?
I got it.
All right. Let's go, dolls. That's huge.
Yeah, it's massive, bro. Congrats. That's huge. Wow.
Michael Anthony. Well, we'll just I'm not looking at any healthcare REITs, so we'll just answer your question, leave it there. Better than any day you had last year. That's awesome. Jordan is
I am
Assassin's
Assassin's
Creed.
Creed today. I am.
Where
My hoodie.
is Assassin Trades? Assassin
Probably
Codes.
coding. Probably coding, yeah.
Just code, you know? Just code.
Just code. Cody.
Tell that bad mama Jamma thanks for that Apple play.
Let's
This
go.
morning.
We're in the exact same. I think she's using the exact same ones I am. What a freaking banger.
I'll let her know.
Let her know.
Let it go.
This is how we do. Da, 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 da.
Dude, NVIDIA is just, I don't know.
Yeah, earnings after close.
Palantir, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Palantir.
Palantir.
Is this the short back test? Guys, stop blaming me for NVIDIA. I didn't do anything. I just kept looking at it. The candles just kept getting bigger and the volume kept going up. I don't know. I don't see any headlines. Snapchat has earnings this week. What else is it? There's like one other name that's this afternoon that I've heard people talk about. That Teradyne or whatever, TER. You want to see a crazy chart? Go look at that one. Yeah, I do know that this OpenAI stuff has been going on. Like they were going to invest and they weren't, then they were, and they shut down talks. And then Jensen said, "Of course not. Our biggest investment will be there." I saw a bunch of that stuff over the weekend. I haven't seen anything new. Like nothing in the last 30 minutes that would cause that. Yeah, dude, look at Teradyne, Casey.
Which ticker?
TER. Just go to like your daily.
Ooh.
It just keeps
Oh.
going.
That was a really good buy right back in here. What was that?
Do that 151 and a half.
Yeah.
Back test
right.
the previous high, gap filled, and hit the 50 day all at once. Yeah.
Like that couldn't have been more of a textbook back test and long right there. That was solid. Let's see this weekly.
That is a beautiful it's a beautiful chart. They're reporting here shortly.
Yeah, look, there it is.
Yeah, this
is
so beautiful.
This is one of the top things that I love to teach about in trade is when you see areas like this, right? Do you see the size of the red candle that came in when it first rejected it, right? And then you see the size of this red candle that came in and rejected it again. That means this is an important area that you should be marking here on the chart. It is not a coincidence that is where this giant green candle came in, because this was an area for bears to keep stepping in to slam it down. The giant green candle is the bulls overtaking this area from the bears that is going to flip it, that you would like to see from resistance to support when retested. So it is not a coincidence, those giant red candles right there, that is where this big green candle is. So now when it retests that area, you look for bulls to now defend the area in which they overtook. And then that is what you have when the stock ends up moving down and it comes back here. Absolutely. This is what you want to see every single day that you trade. That's what you want to look for. You go to your daily chart, it is absolutely clear right there. Beautiful.
Apple downside.
Apple should run out of steam up here. I mean, I was surprised it even got up to this spot today. It literally just tapped directly into it. I'm R270 psych level, but it starts at 269.37. IWM just did back test rejection. Evening Star, 5 minute. That call out was high of day. Beautiful.
I was really tempted to backtest that or short that backtest 900 on NQ, but I decided to go heat up food
He was
instead.
thinking about it.
Gosh dang, I just had the SPY alert go off again. Is it going down?
It just rejected.
Oh,
But it's still on top of orb high. That's kind of the other reason why I was like, eh. Or I'm sorry, IB high. 30-minute orb high is way lower.
Jesus, IWM. Yeah, yeah, SPY just came back down to the level again. So watch bouncy. iDubbbz does not care. That was top short.
God, Walmart's the greatest company ever exist. Anyone else having issues with Weeble?
Nope. I am actively trading that shit right here on my phone. Desktop, I have no idea, but the mobile is working fine. IWM is about to go hit VWAP. Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're rolling it over.
Let's freaking go. What a move. Still think SPY and Qs can have a way to go. So IWM, I mean, it's coming down to the spot. Got close. Still think it gets there. Qs hit the toilet. I mean, if that spot on Qs gives, if this spot on IWM gives, SPY still looking for the midpoint of this order block to give. Doesn't show it on this chart because TradingView's bugging, but still want to see them move down to here potentially. If they hold it here overall, though, this was like worst case scenario going into the close today is they hold it in this box, because that's no fun. You're going to hold this level here, still reject the top level here, and they just continue to burn it. Best case scenario was short up here, break here, trim down to here, and then be all out there. Nice moves. Let me go ahead and send this tweet out.
How's Q? What on what time frame, Mister Jamaican?
Jamaican me crazy.
Jamaican me crazy. I mean, it depends on what time frame we're talking about, but maybe we're talking about like next 5 minutes, next 40 minutes, or like on a daily, weekly basis. I'm scarfing food down over here.
$40 till MOC. 30 minutes till MOC. 40 till the close. Oh, been a day.
In the next 40 minutes, True Social, Trump's just saying the funding bill's working with Speaker Johnson of the House to get it through. QQQ just kind of played out the main move. If it goes up and rejects again, maybe you get back to, I don't know. Basically, that was kind of my base case of where it was going to come back to. It was right there, 625 and change. Oh, good God, Circle is dying. Oh, CRCL is dead.
Dude, someone in one of the discords that I'm affiliated with said, "Can I get some technical analysis last night on Circle?" And I said it should find some support around 0. And they said, "Can I get like a real answer?" And I'm like, "That's a real answer. Should find some support around 0."
Next time, just tell them your price target's OTC.
Like, I still think Oracle can go lower. Circle, Jesus Christ. Like, just down to 0. Just go to there.
I'm wondering if these options are what's affecting like Nvidia and stuff.
The weekly options.
Like the new ones for Monday and Wednesday.
Yeah. I hate it, but it is what it is. Scuts.
Oh, yeah. Should have all-time high for NQ coming, too, because I know ES have been taking it.
That's where my head's at.
Mm-hmm.
Get some good earnings, and this like 3.5 month consolidation finally breaks out. Now, does it break out and get stuffed? I don't know.
PA is wild with these introduction of options on Monday, Wednesday. SPY volume will go down significantly on these. Yeah, I mean, for options contracts themselves, I mean, that can definitely play a role in how your position's affected, but it's not going to change the way price moves. Price is still going to take out highs, take out lows, rebalance to 50% retracements. That's why, like, these things can happen where, NASDAQ might move to 24/7 trading, whatever. This or that might happen, and people will ask, like, oh my God, does this mean your strategy isn't going to work? No, there's no world where I have to change my whole thought process on things. The market's still going to seek out highs, still seek out lows, rebalance to 50% retracements. There's nothing from that I can see that would change that. So the way I see it is, unless something gets implemented that actually changes the mechanics of the market, which that doesn't, I don't think you see price really move differently. We saw introduction of 0 days every day. Didn't change how price moved. It just changed the volatility on the fucking contracts that you're trading, right? So I think that's something to always just keep in mind too.
Just made it where you can
Don't
lose money
change your
faster.
whole winning strategy because some new days are coming about. You know what I mean?
UPS, another new high day, still chugging.
It's Vest Power Hour taking 5x QQQ short. Let's go. Shout out Vest, y'all. You can get 50% off right now. Use code Wolf. 50% off there, 50% off Vanquish right now. You guys.
I'm
everywhere.
eating food, but you should have done that on NVIDIA.
Oh, yeah.
NVIDIA is about to make a new low of day.
Or Palantir, let me see. Come on. $160.
There goes NVIDIA. New low.
Dump it. Dump it. Dang, NVIDIA. That's brazy. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want, what you want, nah. Go Apple, go Apple, go Apple, go. Palantir, bye.
Nvidia, bye bye.
Bye bye. Oh. Bye bye.
Looks like Q's may go bye bye.
It's like Rivian's going bye bye.
Dude, that Palantir. They're gonna buy this dip into
Rivian's
the
already
earnings, or
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
all these stocks hit 52-week lows today. Number one on the list is MicroStrategy. So our favorite stock amp, new 52-week low.
Not my favorite stock, sir. My favorite
favorite
stock's
hated
making
stock.
new all-time high.
Yeah, I was about to say his favorite stock is making new all-time highs.
Yeah.
That's the difference between me and you.
What's the difference between me and you?
Trade Desk, TTD. There's a bunch of companies. I have no idea what these even are.
Dude, the Trade Desk
You know what
5-minute
else is
chart
on there?
today is insane.
Trade Desk is on there. You know what else is on there? Mobileye.
Oh god.
Jesus Christ.
Remember that thing?
No way, is it new all-time low? How many people got just absolutely bagged on that?
Dude.
Gonna go to zero though, right?
Well, it's closer to zero than it is to any of its highs.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola new highs? Oh, are we gonna rug it?
Rugged, rugged, rugged. Rugs USA. Rugs USA. IWM. Looks like she wants to do it. Q's gonna go back to the toilet. Spy is doing nothing. Oh my god, UPS is gonna freaking do a daily bull flag breakout. I hold this runner for gap fill to 133. There's no way. You draw a trend line on those lower highs. Where does it take it to? About to like 115, 116. Essentially, it could like, do more than double the move that it did today. Hell yeah. Jesus, NVIDIA. Previous week low, hitting right now,
I should
NVIDIA.
have shorted that 900 back test.
Oh, Jesus. Good. Bye, bye. Just keep drilling it. Is Palantir balancing or is it still drilling? Yeah, it's trying to. Oh, it just made a new low. It's trying to recover a little.
Oh. Dude, NVIDIA looks bad. And like when it was trying to bounce, it didn't even bounce. It just went sideways with upper wicks and then just fell off the table, rolled off the table like a marble. I can tell you who doesn't care. Apple, Walmart.
Right.
Yes.
UPS. Woo. To 10. What? Poots. Let's see. Yeah.
Dude, Mobileye, what was the other one somebody mentioned? Boxlight? Is that BOXL, I think? Good God, that, oh. Or Mullen, remember Mullen?
Oh yeah, MULN.
I think it got delisted.
Did
I'm serious.
it really?
I'm almost positive.
Some Amazon calls just came in.
Yeah, Mullins OTC. Oh my god. Remember, like the first options trade, that like big one that I hit was on Arrival ARVL, and it's OTC now. But I was like, that was like 1,000% on that. It was the worst thing that ever happened to me that first year of trading options. The absolute worst thing that could have happened to me. I know that sounds backwards, but IWM's about to crack VWAP.
There it goes. It just did. Oh, we're in the zone. Get in the zone.
Auto zone.
If there's one thing I will always live and die by, no matter what, is at areas of key resistance and key support. If you see an evening star or a morning star, 9 times out of 10, baby. Look at that high of motherfucking day. SPY doing nothing. What's the difference between me and you? Missed UPS, but banked on Apple and IWM puts. Nice work. She's still dumping. What are the 263 puts at? Delta's probably going to start getting juicy.
You want to take some SPX like 60s, 65s?
I don't know if I can touch this now. They're at 265 right now. Insane.
Ooh, the 965s are only at 75 cents. Something don't add up. Do not shrink me, gypsy woman. You guys didn't know you were going to get Borat today. That's what I'm going to start calling Boris. I'm going to start calling him Borat. Wah wah wee wah. Oh, Walmart. I swear, Walmart hits 1 trillion today. It'll be the greatest day of my life.
How close is it?
$10 billion away.
Okay. It could get there this week.
I think it's like $1 away on the chart.
Because Costco's looking good too. You see that one today?
Yeah, Costco can suck one. Walmart's way better.
Very true.
Oh, dude, I'm actually pissed. I wanted to start buying Costco like under 900 once it started turning around, and it just ran without me. I just didn't even know. This was probably the dip I should have got in on some COTG because Costco looks like it's going back over 1,000, 1050 ish. I really think these options are creating some interesting stuff here because like Nvidia, there's no news. I double checked with like even other people.
All right. Rivian swept a low and reclaiming. We'll see. Still in it for a swing. I have 10 contracts, so it's smaller for this one. Trying to catch a knife. IWM is the knife.
Jordan, that gift you responded to Jared.
That was good, right?
I like that one. Nvidia drilling.
Assalamu alaikum. That's what he's saying. You're doing that. King Baldwin.
Whoa.
That was from that movie. What was that movie? I forget what it's called. King Baldwin just aura farms that entire movie. It might be called Kingdom of Heaven or something. I don't know. Forget. That's what it is, huh? Yeah. They rolled that thing over.
King of the castle, king of the castle.
Are they going to buy this Palantir up?
PLTG?
I mean, I don't know anything about earnings or anything going on, but just technically, looking at the chart, I would think we'd try and pop. Taking out these huge lows from November. Haven't really had a pop in how many? 1, 2, 3,
We broke those. And I mean, this pop is just so weak. It makes me think
Yeah.
we're gonna go sweep that August low instead,
Yeah, we could.
which is not much. It's not that much further down.
Yeah.
Duolingo. I haven't revisited this one since it started just dying and dying. Oh God.
Oh. It's bad. It's pretty bad over there. I have like 114s. Took out session.
HZO Marine Max halted to the upside pending news.
HZO Marine Max.
HZO.
Dang,
Whoa.
that's a sticky with a blicky.
Whoa.
Sticky got the flickia.
Oh.
Can't even sing 6ix9ine.
Because he only
Too
screams.
many. Too many. There's just too many words to censor.
Yeah. That too. Oh, we're 5 minutes till MOC, shit. Went by fast.
Iffia, Blicky got the stiffia. Got the blickia, drum it whole fiftia.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I am tiptoeing around that song. That is just not even. Right, let's not even go there. I'm so bored. I'm just watching to see if this thing unhalts. Wonder if it's like a buyout or something on the Marine Max.
Let's go, Brent. A little scalpy.
I don't know. I don't hear any
Yeah.
news.
Apple, almost there. Ah!
270.
Yeah, go on. I didn't think that was gonna happen today. Let's fucking go. All right.
Walmart.
My Claude bot went rogue and started texting responses to people in iMessage I haven't responded to yet. Oh, that's my biggest
Let's
fear.
Go. Dude, I just want to get off here and go to Walmart.
I'm just trying to save money and live better.
Every day. Save money, live better. Down here in Mexico, they have juntos todos los días. Together every day. Ooh, a little Microsoft rolly, IWM rolly.
IWM.
I just wanna rolly.
Hey, your
with a
thing's on
dapper ranch.
voltage. Went to 31.
Oh!
Also, iDubbbz. Breaking.
Also, MOC in 50 seconds. Oh, everybody, W's in the chat. Travis, we're going to celebrate for Travis. Passed his first eval today. Let's go,
baby.
Travis. Let's
That's
go.
awesome.
Good habits go slow. Build up that buffer in that funded account. Get paid. Let's go. W's in the chat for Travis.
Love that, baby. Make it real.
Here's MOC.
I remember when I passed my second eval, I didn't trade
Oh.
for a day because I blew it the first time.
Yeah.
MOC is tiny. Tiny. Itty bitty.
Really, what we get?
Tiny. Candles, I can tell you, I personally know multiple people that have taken a lot of money out of Apex without too many issues. Now, they're cheaper than most, and they may have a few more rolls and hoops than some, but
Might have to film yourself or take a
can
picture
tell
of your
you-
setup that you took, but yeah.
I can tell you that I personally know multiple people, verified proof of not just payouts, but large payouts, and not influencers, which is what's going around. Man, let's go, Travis. Yeah, Texas. Look, Texas is back. Jordy, I don't know if you want to. Our
There
boy
he is.
Texas here. That first payout today that I reminded Texas. I brought it up to them because I wanted to share your success with the crew here as well. They were fired up for you.
Yeah, big shout out to you, bro. It's not easy once you get that first phone, but once you do, you just keep that ball rolling, man. Take that payout, go get some more accounts. It's just
Bro, we threw a whole party, Texas,
more
and you laughed.
allocation, baby.
Bro, Texas, I was over here blowing out candles for you, sir.
Yeah, bro.
We were just
Facts.
fireworks show.
Some fireworks. Let's go. Wait, does that work on this computer? I don't think it does. Oh no.
Click on your camera in the top right and turn on reactions.
Oh.
If you click that green camera on the drop down, it says reactions. Turn it on. Unless your MacBook's like 9 years old.
I don't know if I have that.
All right, Borat.
Oh, there it is. I got it. Hey, there it is. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Don't
I
worry,
don't know
we'll
why I
have
love it so much.
we'll have a soundboard
Nvidia's
soon.
still dying.
We will have
Market
a
just didn't roll
soundboard
over,
soon
though.
and plenty of fun sound effects and stuff to throw on there for everybody.
Almost
I'm glad I
100% on
didn't-
Apple. Let's go.
I'm glad I didn't take those SPXs. They would have been worthless.
Be right back.
This Nvidia is crazy. It's down 3%, and the market's green.
Apple 270. Oh, damn.
Hey, Apple and Walmart are fighting for top spot on my main watch list.
Bro, this was
Walmart's up
crazy.
4.10 and Apple's up 4.07.
All right. I'm closing my Rivian swing to manage risk after the shit today. This was fun. These Apple calls are freaking at 500. I just don't know if I want to swing Rivian anymore right now. I think it needs more time.
You guys hear that? What Casey just said? For all the trolls and haters out there that say, "Well, Casey's never posts a loss."
Oh, dude.
He posts a lot of wins, but he also takes losses. Like I just hate the people I see that troll just for no reason. Honestly, anybody that never talks about or posts a loss or anything, and obviously like Casey's Discord's got all this stuff laid out. It's not like he can just hide a position.
Nope. I closed Wolf for a loss. I closed Tesla. I took Tesla. My one loss today that pissed me off was Tesla calls, and I talked about it this morning. I took Tesla calls this morning here, and it chopped, went up, came back down, chopped sideways. I closed it, and then it ripped, and those things went, over $100 per contract gain. I closed it for a loss. People in the Discord still held it. They want to manage their risk, and they banked on it. I mean, shout out to them. I closed mine for a loss. I take losses all the freaking time. You see my recaps that I post, you'll see red trades in there all the time. A-Rod, I know I pulled out. You don't have to rub it in while you banked. Jesus Christ.
Let's go, A-Rod. Rub it in. Rub it in. Go for the throat.
Dude, he was freaking... he was all over me this morning for Tesla. He was like, don't pull out. He was like, we know you don't pull out. You have so many kids. And I was like, I know. I was like, but...
Oh, factory shut down. Now you're good.
Yeah, right.
Appreciate it, David. I had a great night. I had no real reason to put on a lot of risk today. And price action, even if I didn't, so like I think the point here would be, even if I didn't have a good night last night, I still, looking at today, probably would have scalped for like $200 at some point and sat here. Just based on the price action Friday, overnight, and then this morning at the open, it's all the good moves happen. Oh, hey, I ain't pulling out of nothing. Mama didn't raise no quitter. Bro, pull out game. I'm on the bench, sir. I'm not even in the game.
I'm not even in, coach. I'm watching from the sidelines.
Bro, I gotta get the Gatorade bottle, towel over my shoulders. I'm chilling.
Well, SPY, they closed it right underneath the level as of right now, rejecting the zone. Qs broke the zone, sitting right back here at volume point of control. And then IWM got the move down and hit that spot perfectly. So IWM, biggest move. QQQ, really nice move straight to target. SPY had the smaller move, never came down to right here or the box. But nice short from here just to break the zone for whenever that headline came out. But great shorts. Apple is still... Apple's going to close at 270. This is fucking incredible. Look at the daily candle on Apple. Look at that.
Yeah, Walmart's still up more.
Here, let's go pull up Walmart. All right, Walmart. Daily. Look at this. Oh my god. Dude, insane.
You even said, I think on Thursday or Friday, you even said it looked like a swing long.
Yeah. Look, Walmart up 4.15. Apple up 4.07. Look at that. And the bell's gonna. Let's see. Right before the bell, who can close a higher percentage? Apple or Walmart? We got 20 seconds.
Walmart's leading by 0.10.
I know Apple's rejecting 270. This isn't fair. Walmart doesn't have a fucking ceiling to reject because there's no resistance. Apple's literally sitting at the
resistance
control at 270 cycle level for the rejection. This isn't fair. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and 4.12 to 4.05. So Walmart closed higher than Apple. Great job, guys.
Say hi to Sam. Oh, all right. Let's get PLTR up on this
Yeah.
stuff here. Keep it live till
Bounce your
PLTR comes out.
Let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and clear the chart real quick. Let's place our bets.
I cover with him there. Mira, ¿ven mis papitas? Aquí, mira. ¿Qué esos son estos? Ok. ¿Qué me traíste? A chicken sandwich? Let's go.
Ooh.
Gracias. Oye, ¿me lleves este al sink? Will you take that one to the sink? Gracias. Where is Palantir? What time do they normally report? Right at the close?
All right. Let's see. I got a top zone, a bottom zone, and a midpoint. Let's see which one we hit. All three? 1 or 2? I don't know.
Calling out a bunch of other earnings. PLT.
Dadgummit. My mic, I muted it, my bad.
Kind of want to watch to see if futures move on this at all. Palantir is pumping. If you really feel like trading it, 2x leverage PLTG wouldn't be a bad alternative. Buy and sell in after hours, don't have to worry about options. Or Vest. Well, Vesty. All right, Brent, you're out of here. My overall thought is I want to short the open tonight and buy the dip either probably like 760s on NQ. Yeah, like 765 maybe. Otherwise, I do think we go see like lower 600s. And then we're long that. Come on, Palantir. Normally you're already out by now. They usually come out right at the bell. What if they're already out and they just nothing? They just came out and they just so in line, nobody did anything. SpaceX confirms merger with XAI.
I do need to make my recap.
Is Tesla moving? No. It's not.
I just got a little wick down. Back up, nothing too crazy.
All right, 25 seconds. We'll see. They came out a couple quarters ago. They came back later. Scarlett Johansson just followed me. Let's go.
What?
It's a fake bot.
Damn.
Shit. All right, here we go. Palantir upside.
Whoa!
Up 5%.
Up and away. 160. Is it coming? 160. Whoever asked me for the heat map on Palantir, there it is.
Palantir 25 cents versus 19.
No way I just draw a zone and it rips straight to it and wicks off of it. How does that happen? How is that possible? It's almost like he knows something.
$0.25 versus 23 cents is what I'm hearing now on the the gap number. What was their revenues? Revenue 7.18 billion to
Whoa,
big guide up. Big guide up on Palantir.
NVIDIA doesn't like something right now. Look.
Yeah.
Getting a weird candle. I should have done an Iron Condor or something on Palantir.
I don't know, dude. Palantir is one of those that I feel like of all the names, that one would rip your head off.
That's what we were talking about last night. We were like, it could move like 10%.
Palantir beat.
Got it up. Yeah, 0.25 versus estimate with 0.23. So slight beat there.
Revenue also beat 1.407, 1.328. They also raised guidance pretty much across the board from what I'm seeing.
Yeah. So nice earnings on Palantir.
Yeah, it's pushing now up 8%. Like I was saying, if you bought PLTG, you're up like 16% right now. That would have been the way to play it. I didn't play it that way, but if you had to bet on something, it's you almost have to bet upside on Palantir, even if it starts to give it all back.
Oh, there's the top of the zone.
I want to know what's going on in NVIDIA. SpaceX did confirm a merger with XAI company, or with XAI and company memo. That's probably the biggest headline of the day. Here it is. OpenAI has determined it needs alternatives to NVIDIA's latest chips. Well, that headline explains what NVIDIA wiki saw. All right, chat. Palantir upside 8%. That moved up a little bit on Q's, not much.
Oh, it was a ripper after sweeping those lows, huh? Nice. Obviously, no way to know that at all, but like, I don't know. The way I look at it is like freaking sweeping those bigger time frame lows. That many red days, I feel like bounce, you know.
Yeah, that was. Yeah.
But never play it like that, guys. Like,
Could fade, I mean,
would've
it could
never
fade this whole
played
thing
that.
back, but
yeah, oh yeah, it could, for sure. It's not worth it to play it, but I always like to kind of just like test my thoughts and ideas on it, you know, see if I was actually in the ballpark of being right or not.
all right, I'm gonna pop out of here. Appreciate everyone in the chat. We'll be live again tomorrow, of course. Shout out KC for
beautiful
holding
day.
it down. There's some technical difficulties there.
Yeah.
Jordan getting all
brother.
set up out there.
Dude, we're
Guys.
getting it. We're getting it. We got some furniture upstairs now, so we're probably gonna go set things up and get it all nice for
go.
tomorrow, hopefully. So, good stuff, crew.
Appreciate
We
you
love
guys. Make
y'all.
sure you subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Support us a little
Yes,
bit.
sir.
We appreciate all you guys tuning in.
Like and
Shout out
subscribe.
KC. KC Trade
Love.
777. 3 lucky
Let's
numbers
go.
right there.
Is that
Let's
the app?
go.
Is the at the 777?
Yeah, on everything. Yeah,
Hmm.
everything will always be 777, no matter what.
Love it.
It will always be 777. That's
All right,
my,
y'all.
my lucky number.
We out of here. Love everybody.
Lo-
See you tomorrow, bright and early on Spaces, and then we'll be back on stream midday. So we'll see everybody then. Enjoy.